Yeah, we do paper plates over here if you want to judge, but this is the final result of every plate. How it looks. It's busted. Welcome to my main channel, and on this episode, I guess we're gonna have episodes. So in this episode, I am going to be cooking. I'm going to be cooking stuffed salmon with crab and shrimp and bell pepper and bacon, and yeah, and we're gonna mashed potatoes. So yeah, it's not really a side to it. That's all we got for today. But yeah, we're gonna see how this process goes, because I'm fast and I'm cooking all my way, and I feel like this process is gonna slow me down. But I want to try and see how this goes. I'm trying to angle this camera. That's why I keep moving around. I'm so crazy. It's so hard in here because I'm not used to having this up. But yeah, it's on the road. Put my bonnet back on, because honestly, if your girl don't cook, if you know your girl cooking with a bonnet, you know she about to get serious. So y'all only saw that for the intro. She about to get serious when a girl cooking on with a bonnet, okay? And I'll be right. So right now I am at a point where sorry y'all, I told y'all I started cooking real fast. So right now I'm at a point where I put the chopped bell peppers, minced onions, and the shrimp in there. You don't want to cook the shrimp too long because you want it to cook thoroughly when you put it in the oven. I also have 2 pans, but I have to watch out how I cook. This is gonna take a process, and you're gonna let this cook through until, I don't know. Sometimes I give it at least a good 5 to 7 minutes, because it don't take that long shrimp to cook. To make it look a little white, not clear, but a little white. So when this is done, I'm going to show you guys the next step, which is taking most of this and adding it to the spread, which the spread consists of green cheese, with this as well, with the green onions, minced onions, green bell peppers, minced onions, and shrimp. And I'm also gonna have bacon bits inside of it as well. But this iron cooked real faster than this one, so that's why I'm really tossing this around. Hopefully my TV is not that loud, but I'm gonna cut it off as it is, and I'll be right back. So right now we have finished as our stuff. I don't know why it looks so goddamn white. And now we're putting everything that's cool, simmer down, everything's seasoning. So now I'm about to add the what do you call it, the filling, the stuff, y'all, that. So I'm about to add Parmesan cheese. Got Parmesan cheese. Add that. We got now it's on me. No. Okay, so wait a minute. I'm gonna add our Parmesan. Okay, so now we added the I had a brain fart. The bell pepper, stuffed crab, sour cream, Parmesan, and I have the shrimp over here, and I have the rest of the stuff. So now I'm just gonna add it together and make the stuffing. I don't cook like everybody else on YouTube, because I really cook fast and I really can't. Okay, I had 10 from the Dixie, but I am now mixing everything together. Oh, I knocked that out. Everything is now getting mixed, baby. Oh, it feels so good. Oh. I don't know, bacon bits. I ain't feel like cooking bacon either. So that's why I said that. but I am okay. And this is what everything looks like mixed together. Hear that sound? Oh, you know what I'm saying? Hey. So now I'm about to get the salmon, and I'm turning this down because for YouTube to be like, I'm copyrighting your stuff. No, 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 I don't copyright. But I'm gonna get the salmon. I'm gonna add, yeah, get the salmon and I will baste that. I'm adding some vegetable oil to the pan, so when the salmon cooks, it'll cook at the bottom, all the flavor will come up. Now all the flavors will come up through there. And this one will need the most because two fillets will be going on this. Adding that, and I also have what I added. Ooh. So sorry, y'all. Okay, so I had to run over here and go get this shrimp. This big shrimp, because I used the little shrimp. This is the big shrimp right here. That's going to go on top of the... I gotta get some shit. That's going to go on top of the salmon that we're eating right now. I gotta season it and do all that stuff. So, I'm going to do that. No, I'm going to bake the salmon with butter and seasoning. And then I'm going to lay it in the pan, and then I'm going to devein and everything else, and I'm going to season it. But since it's going to be a long process, I'm going to do it step by step. So I already dried off the salmon and stuff. Hold on. Okay, so now I got my salmon in my hand. I pat it dry earlier, but I guess because I put shrimp in here, I have to pat it dry again. So I'm going to pat it dry again, and I'm going to put it in the pan. I'm gonna put it in another pan, but I'm gonna start off with this. The ones that are. I'm gonna put it in the pan. This one going with. Yeah, that's going with it. Okay. As you can see. Okay, so as you can see, I put this one. I'm gonna put this right here. As you can see, I put this one in the pan. Let me zoom in. As you can see, it's in the pan. It's in the Crisco oil. Now I'm going to lay the. Now I am going to lay the stuffing on top. Add as much as you like, as much as your heart desires. Going to lay all of these stuffing. This is around here. Going to lay all these stuffing on top. I add so much. Oh my god. I'm probably have to save the rest of this for later. But I know how my family eats, and so this is why I'm adding all this into it. And so this is the salmon I took. And I'm going to season this and put butter on top. Okay, y'all. Sorry, I'm a fast cooker. So I put the salmon. This one, I made a mistake and I didn't season it, but it's okay. So I seasoned all the rest of them. And I'm now putting this on. Well, no, I'm gonna put it this way. Putting this on top because it's okay. The flavor's gonna come up. And I'm gonna put butter on it and spread it. And I'm going to do this for each single one of them. Oh, that was a fail. It's hard to do it with the a spread or a knife, so that's why I try to spread with my hands. Sorry for people who don't like to do things with their hands, but you got to get real down and dirty for this, okay? And I know I added a lot of water. I'm not trying to add no more. Okay, so I patted over also neatly. And now I'm going to do another one. As you can see, oh, did I see this? Season on both sides. Going in, putting the stuffing on top. Get a good amount first. Putting on top. And had to reverse that because I was getting a little too much. So sway with me, sway with me. Trying to make sure that my stuff is as good as stuff. All right. I make sure my people eat, y'all. You say you hungry, you gonna get well fed over here, full but loved. Peace. Add a little bit more. That's how extra I am. I'm a Leo too, so just to let you know. And I add it on top like that. Oh, this gonna bust out the side. I already know. Then I get my butter. Then I, oh, come on now, butter. Come on, come. Oh, okay, let me try to spread it on here while I can. Oh Lord, I forgot to preheat the oven. Yeah, make sure y'all preheat y'all oven. I forgot to preheat mine. But key tip is to preheat the oven to 325, and it's gonna be in the oven for like 20 minutes. And then on half the time, at 10 minutes. That's when you, I won't say flip it, but when you start adding some of the juices, the Crisco oil on top, so it can go through, even though it has the butter for the flavoring. That's when you add that on top. This video is gonna be all over the place. This is why I only 60 pieces is gonna be probably my first and last cooking video ever. Okay. That's done. I'm about to go over to one over here. So as you see, this is how it looks. It got the Crisco. Nah, first of all, I ain't gonna try to hold it up. It got the bell pepper and minced onions all up and through there. It's a little small base, okay? We got our salmon for stuff, butter on top, ready to go. This one about to get packed for a next, about to put it in the oven. The oven about to be ready good crisp. Look at my toes. Hold on. The oven about to be ready good and crisp. And yeah, we about to get this thing rolling. Hey, everybody clap your hands. Roll, 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 roll. Go ahead and switch this. Oh! Finger got caught. What you trying to hide? What you trying to say? Oh wait, I forgot. I gotta devein the shrimp, y'all. I almost fucking forgot. Told y'all I be going so fast. I be forgetting shit. Okay, so I'm gonna come back after I devein the shrimp and I'll put the shrimp in and I'm gonna season it. But I'm gonna use the same bowl. That is it. These are ready to go in the oven, and after this I'm going to devein the shrimp and get that seasoned and put that in there and let that cook as well, and it's going to go on top, and you guys going to see that later. And the next time y'all guys see me, everything's going to be paired. And yeah, and now you guys look at all that sauce stain. Right now everything's in the oven. As you can see, it's getting this grill on, this crisp on right now. If I didn't tell you, you should add it to at least, I put it on 300. Well, no, it's on 325. It's in between. My dumb self. It's in between like 325 for at least 16. I put it on 16 minutes. But yeah, let that cook, let that simmer, and we'll be right back. Don't mind my bunning right now, but yeah, so we got 3 minutes left till the salmon is done. But we're gonna talk while the salmon is cooking. So if I didn't tell you, the seasonings I use for the salmon and shrimp is paprika, complete seasoning, what is it called? Girl, Lord, I forgot. Paprika, complete, seasoned salt. I use Obey seasoning. And what else I use? Lord, I'm forgetting seasoning. Complete seasoning, paprika, Lawry Seasoning. Did I use? Yeah, I did say complete seasoning. Yeah, so I use those. And then for the stuff or the inside, it has sour cream, Parmesan cheese. It has shrimp that I cook. It also has bell pepper and minced onions. Minced onions is what I got from actually out of this little bottle right here. Great value. Hey, little better save money at Walmart. Ball on the budget over here, alright? Alright. So then we got that done. Then we are waiting on, no, yeah. So I'm sorry. I done lost track, baby. This food looking real good. But so yeah, that's what I added. I added sour cream. I added crab meat. I added this crab meat right here. I'm gonna show y'all again if I didn't show you. You can stop and pause it. I'm gonna add it up down in the description. So I added crab meat, shrimp, Parmesan cheese, and the bell pepper and minced onions. I was gonna add bacon, but I'm not a pork eater no more. And also I couldn't really find no bacon, and bacon does add a little bit of flavor to it, but yeah. But right now I'm about to finish making the right now I'm about to finish well, not finished. Right now I'm about to make the mashed potatoes. I don't know what I can't have this very fucking far. So I'll be right back. Oh y'all, they are done and officially out of the oven. I don't know why my camera quality is like this, but they're done and officially out, babes. Look at all that. Look at that. Look at that. Busting that. Busting that side. Make your kids be. Don't laugh at me. I'm laughing at my laugh. Looking real good. We are done. I'm gonna plate it, and I'm gonna show y'all what the plate look like. And then we'll be done. Plates over here if you want to judge, but this is the final result of every plate. How it looks. It's busted. Yeah. Don't mind that. Don't mind that. Don't mind that. Mind this. Yeah. But yeah. But that is it, you guys. Thank you for watching, tuning in to see how I make this famous house meal that everybody enjoys and likes now. Thank you for dealing with all my craziness. I told y'all I cook fast, so if you don't like the video, I'm sorry. I'm not like the YouTube cookers. I cook as I go. Like I ain't really get up. I cook as I go, so I really don't really talk. I just, yeah, so it's going to be descriptions, everything going to be down below of how the instructions of what was made into the stuffing, what was made into the what seasoning that I use for the shrimp, and everything in the instructions down below. So yeah, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe for more, because we're gonna drop more in this channel soon. And yeah, see y'all later. Alright, so we got the hush puppies, you know, the salmon up in this bitch, the taters, and you know, yeah, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, all hot better, got all the juices and stuff, like you'll see it. Yeah, look at all, yeah, yes sir.